everybody. I'm Sophia from Unicore Communications. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the evaluation kit, or EVK, to test our GNSS positioning chip. After receiving the package, you will find an EVK, an antenna, a power adapter, a straight-through serial cable, 2 alligator clip test leads, and a USB cable with micro B connector. Next, let's take a look at the interfaces on the EVK. The first one on the left is the power supply interface. The second one is USB interface. The third one is power supply selector. And the fourth one is antenna RF signal input. On the back of the EVK, there is a clock signal input, 3 jumpers to control the power on and power off for different power domains, of which the first one is the I/O power domain, the second one is core domain, and the third one is backup power domain. And there is also a UART port on the EVK. Next, we're going to connect the EVK to the computer. First of all, connect the antenna. Here is the ANT port. Then, put the antenna under open sky. And next, we need to supply power to the EVK. There are 2 ways to supply power. The first one is to use the USB cable, and the second one is to use the power adapter. If you want to use the USB cable, you need to install the jumper on the top right corner. And if you want to use the power adapter, you need to install the jumper on the top left corner. And you will also need a straight-through serial cable to transfer data. Connect the cable at this port. In this case, we will use the USB cable to supply power. So, plug the interface on the USB port and connect the other end to your computer. There are 3 jumpers on the back of the EVK, which are installed by default, and you don't need to remove them. But if you want to test the current or power consumption of one of the power domains, you can remove the corresponding jumper and connect the pins to an ammeter. After connecting the EVK, we need to download a software called UPrecise. Let's open it. Switch the language to English, and next we need to connect the receiver. Choose the serial port and a baud rate. Connect, and you will see 4 small windows. The first one, Constellation, displays the visible satellites, and you can choose different satellite systems that you would like to observe. The next window, Tracking Status, displays the currently tracked frequencies of different satellite systems, and the figures above each frequency band is the carrier-to-noise ratio. The next window, Data Stream, is utilized to communicate with the device. Receiver output messages such as navigation output, status, and debug information are displayed here. You can also input a command to configure the receiver. For more information about the input commands, please refer to our protocol menus. And for the frequently used configurations, you can click the menu bar and find Receiver Configurations, then find Message Configuration. The last window, Map, displays your current position as well as the position fix type. There are more functions folded in the menu bar which will not be elaborated in this video. You can download UPrecise and explore it by yourself. If you have any questions, leave us a message and we're glad to answer your questions. That's all for this presentation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.